every time a house comes up here, there's 30 people that apply for a house, So there is a massive shortage here.
We have a situation now where our people are wanting to return to the island and not able to, or are restricted because of housing. There's no rental accommodation. Housing is pretty substandard anyway generally here because it costs so much to get building materials in on our shipping service. So there is a number of reasons perhaps why there is a shortage.
One of the things is getting the size of it. So this must be that's that up over there too. Oh, this is look at that. These are nice. They are, right?
Wari raro ia rangi e tūnei. Wari I runga ia papaya takatōnei. Wari I runga I ngā maru o wee. Ka tū tangatanga mātaka e tānei pepe ki o tō wao.
Ngā whare o Haoteora is the name of our complex here today that we open.
To be here in such a unique community and amongst such amazing people, to see this come back again actually warms my heart.
My impression from this community is one of resilience and aspiration. The opportunities that the people see here are just so broad, and I think I'm really inspired by their aspirations, because what becomes clear in my mind is they know what they want and they've got a very clear picture of how they can get there, and I think certainly my role being here is to see how we can support that.